100% polyester. Imported. Large capacity. Great for packing swim training equipment, snorkeling gear, beach items, and the pool. The TYR Big Mesh Mummy Backpack features an updated design with 20% more capacity for storing all your swimming gear. Quality design. Lightweight and functional, this athletic backpack features a spacious main compartment for storage, small zip compartment, and mesh venting for faster dry time and optimal drainage. Adjustable. Over-the-shoulder straps allow for comfortable, convenient carry, while the secure barrel lock closure at the top provides quick and easy access to your gear. Extra compartments. Side zipper pocket for additional organization and quick access to essentials like goggles and swim caps. A built-in mesh water bottle pocket keeps hydration at your fingertips. Quality materials. Measuring 25.25 by 19 inches, the mesh backpack has a 40-liter capacity, is made from 100% durable polyester, and is available in a variety of fun colors to complement your personal style. Mesh venting for increased drying time and drainage. Barrel lock closure. Updated with a 20% bigger design. Top reviews from the United States. Great for kids' snow gear. Mesh bag like these are great for when you have to send your kids' snow gear with them in winter. We live outside of Chicago and every day they have to bring snow boots and snow pants because they go outside for recess until it's below 10. Their stuff is usually wet and soaked with snow, and having to put that in a regular bag they never dry out. But this bag in particular is great because a lot of mesh bags have a string closure that turns into the backpack straps. And to a kindergartner that's like a Chinese death trap. These backpack straps are secure and never changing. And neither of my kids have lost any of their snow gear since having these because they're brightly colored and easy to label. I am a mediocre mom at best, but when it comes to purchasing these bags it's the best idea I've had.